You never made this?
No. I was doing a video for TikTok. What do you have? Limoncello. What do you have? Chicken. People like chicken. Let's make chicken limoncello. What a smell. Hi dudes. Welcome back to Play Nice. I'm Fabio Caratelli and today we're gonna make some beautiful chicken. The best chicken ever. Chicken limoncello. But not a normal limoncello. This handmade limoncello from me and my friend Don, and it's delicious. I will show you the recipe soon. Today we are in an open space, so let's start. We need chicken breast, flour, sage, parsley, salt, lemon, 2 garlic cloves, a little bit of onion, limoncello, pepper, and some flaky salt. Let's do it. First step is to flour your chicken. So you get chicken and you put in the flour like this. And then important thing is slapping it. This is perfect, like that. So this will help with the cream. Don't forget butter, because I did. And voila, our chicken is floured, how you see. Pro tip, when you're doing a sauce with butter, flour your butter too. This will create a beautiful cream. This is a pro tip I learned in culinary school. Like that. So we are ready. We have the butter, we have the chicken. Let's cook. Smash your garlic, like that. Put it aside. Cut your onion. Cut your onion. So we will use a little piece, half, and then a quarter. And don't do it really little or it will burn. So we'll cut it this. Get a lemon, and we cut the lemon in slices. All right, like this. Really thin. And voila. This is really fast and simple, but delicious. You never eat a recipe like this. So let's start cooking. Add your chicken when the olive oil, got this. When the olive oil is hot, add your chicken. Need to be really hot, guys, to make the Maillard reaction. It's not hot ready. Add the chicken. You listen to the sound? Shh. Need to do that. All the type of meat, even the vegetable, they need to do that sound. Add your garlic. With all the clove, doesn't matter. With all the skin. What a smell, guys. Do you smell it, dude? This garlic is beautiful. So we left the garlic with the skin so it doesn't burn. We'll add some sage to give some flavor. When it's crispy, we will turn it. So after 2 or 3 minutes, you turn the chicken and you need to have this crust to have a good chicken. So turn all the chicken like this. Put the garlic on top so they don't burn. And they give a lot of flavor to the chicken. The sage either, same way, same thing. No, then we add pepper. And a nice kosher salt. And we let it finish cooked. Add the lemons. When the chicken is almost done, we will add our flavored butter, all right? So we'll add 2 pieces now. So we'll give that kick to the chicken. You see it's floured because we'll create a cream, butter and flour, plus a liquid, because later we will deglaze with the limoncello, we'll create a cream. We create a roux like this, and then we'll create a cream. Wow, what a smell. We'll get our butter and we will cover the chicken with the butter. Wow. Guys, it's looking delicious and smell delicious. I would like one day to have a camera who will get the smell so you can see it, you can smell it from your computer. That would be nice. Come on, Bill Gates, invent something like that. Like this. And when the chicken is ready, we will create our sauce. Let's take out the chicken and let's make our sauce. We'll put some pepper. So this is the sauce creation with the limoncello, okay guys? And we will deglaze the pan with the homemade limoncello. Voila, flambe. All right, now we can switch off the fire. What a smell. Add the butter in there. Wow. Look here, guys. This is beautiful. So guys, at this point, we have the sauce. Let's put back our chicken. Add some parsley and some more salt. All right, chicken is ready. Let's plate it nice, dude. Look here, what a beauty. Look here, guys. It's beautiful. It's incredible. Look what a beautiful sauce, guys. Some lemon, I cut it in half. Then we will add some more parsley. Some pepper. And some, I found this at Safeway, guys. I was looking for a red peppercorn and I found this beautiful salt. It looks like crystal, guys. Not matte crystal, like crystals. And we put it on the top, like that. So you give it a little bit of crunchiness. Wow, beautiful. The best thing of cooking meals is to try it. You, your family, your loved, everybody. So let's try it. Guys, it's fucking delicious. You never try something like this. I bet you $100,000. That was the chicken limoncello. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and the next video or in 2 videos we will make limoncello. So stay tuned and thank you again. Fabio Caratelli. Have a great day. Buon appetito. Play it nice, dude.